Hello friends, does anyone use your Wi-Fi without your concern? Don't worry. Today I am going to show you how to detect those unknown Wi-Fi users and block them or restrict them. For this I am going to use a tool named EvilLimiter. You can get this tool from GitHub easily. For installation, simply copy the tool link from GitHub and open the terminal of Kali Linux. After that, write the command git clone and paste the link, and press enter. After cloning, enter ls command to list the directories. We can see there is a directory created named EvilLimiter. To enter the directory, give command cd space EvilLimiter. After that again, press ls to list the files under EvilLimiter directory. We can see there is a Python file named setup.py. For installation, give the command python 3 space setup.py space install. After some time, the installation is completed. To run the tool, simply type EvilLimiter on the terminal with root privilege. You can type help for list the available commands of this tool. At first, we are going to scan the hosts. For scanning the host, we give scan -- range, then IP address range which we want to scan. After that, it will tell us the number of IP address which will be discovered during scan. We can see the host by simply giving the command hosts -- force. As you can see, my Windows 7 IP address. Until now, we can access the internet from Windows 7. We can ping Google successfully. After that, I am going to block the internet connection of the Windows 7 machine. For this, I am giving the command block 0. As you can see, 0 mention the Windows 7 IP address. After giving the command, it will successfully block the internet connection of Windows 7 machine. To confirm this again, go to the Windows 7 machine and ping the Google, and here we go. Request timed out. It successfully blocked the internet connection. We can also limit how much Windows 7 machines can use the internet for uploading and downloading content. For this, we are giving the command limit 010 kbs. This command will limit Windows 7 internet connection to 10 kilobytes. We can also watch the hosts. For this, give the command watch add 0, then watch. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to test other commands of this tool, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a like.
Bye bye.